Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADPT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in one's wounds, but gap down today, and then the bulls for that opening 30 minutes just couldn't do anything right. The bears just kept on pressing down and down and down, and then the bulls finally did start to step in, and that's kind of what creates this interesting setup. And we have this line like this, and we have that line. So still a downtrending channel. Yes, that's probably not the best upwards. You get the point. I'm trying to draw a downwards channel there, but the price is still slightly trending downwards, but by no means is it bleeding as fast as it was right here. Right here it was basically a line straight down. Now things have subsided and started to level off here. Now, don't get me wrong. Am I saying that because the selling pressure has subsided a little bit that this is guaranteed to bounce and go up to $2.15 tomorrow? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that relative to how it was, I think everybody can agree it's not nearly as bad, which brings up interesting from a chart perspective and a trading perspective. Now, I should note before I forget, these setups and such are not for those that can't honor stop losses, can't set up risk-defined plays and such. But for those of you that can, interesting setup. Would I be shocked to see it bounce? No, I would not be shocked. But again, no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So I'm not sitting here saying that, this thing is guaranteed to bounce. So key level of support going in tomorrow, just simply right around the $1.45 for the very, simple reason. If the price doesn't hold above $1.45, then all that does is imply that the price is putting in new lows. And, that's what bearish moves do, right? They put in new lows. So pretty simplistic there. $1.45 key level of support. Now, what about if the price does start to bounce? Where are some of these levels of resistance at? First key hurdle that needs to be cleared if there's going to be any sort of, hope for a decent, longer term bounce up there at $1.60. You can see this is the area where earlier on in the day, multiple times the bulls try to get up above it and just couldn't quite do it. One time did, but that didn't last very long. So $1.60 definitely key area of resistance if this bounce is going to generate any sort of decent type momentum. So we'll see what happens with it. Big volume today, interesting setup. So we'll see how the price continues to unfold. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.